Hi, this is a really short video to show you how you can get your team up and running and sharing and co-editing documents, images, photos, videos really quickly using Google Drive. First, I'll show you how to get up and running if you've received an email invitation to view shared files. Then I'll show you how to share files with others. It's great when there's time to plan, but sometimes you and your team get thrown in the deep end and you need to start collaborating, doing work and delivering results really quickly. For myself here in the UK, that task is setting up a primary care network, but the tools are the same for many projects that you might encounter, and being able to share, edit documents and files together as a team can really help, and arguably it's essential these days. There are loads of solutions out there. Some are free, some paid, some just for file sharing, others have office suites, some have project management features. Often it's best just to get up and running with something quickly and then look to meet your more detailed specification later on. I'm a fan of Google Drive for the following reasons. It's free, it's about as secure as Google Email, it comes with 15 gigabytes of storage. You can choose to share with an invite only those that you want to. It allows you to drag and drop files to and from your computer, uses a traditional file structure, it has Android, iOS, Mac and Windows apps, it's compatible with Microsoft Office suite and allows multiple people to edit a document at the same time. Really, really powerful. There's probably more that I missed. And remember, if you're working in UK healthcare, then don't use this for patient information. It won't meet these specifications. It will use offshore servers. There'll be all sorts of other problems. So first I'll show you how to get up and running if you've been invited. So the email you receive will look a bit like this. Click open to go to the next screen. So here you see all the folders and files that have been shared with you. Let's double click one to open it. So Word files open in a Word editor. You can make changes to the file. Those changes are visible to all the other people who see and can view that file. So let's go back. So if you want sort of permanent access, then click sign in. You can select an account if you already have a Google account, and that's the one that the email was sent to, but let's create a new one. So let's click create account. Let's do for myself and enter your details here before proceeding and clicking next. So when you're logged in proper, this is the view that you see. Folders that have been newly shared with you will be in the shared with me tab at the side, just in case you're wondering where they are. Let's drag a file in to this folder just to demonstrate that functionality. Double click and there it is. So we can double click to view that folder, and that's visible to everybody else who can share and view that folder. So the next thing that you might want to do is share with others. This is really simple. Just right click on the folder, select share from the options, and then enter the email address or email addresses of the people or peoples that you want to share with. You can set the permissions. I think since I'm sending this to myself, I'll allow myself to organize and add and delete, add a message to just show that it's a genuine email, and click send. So that's it. Good luck to everyone as you get your teams up and running and working on your project. Here are some ways to connect at the bottom of the screen, and I hope this was useful. If it was, then please share it as widely as you like. Thank you.